In a beautiful green jungle, all the animals lived together in peace and harmony.
But one day, the little bird hurt her tiny wing and she could no longer fly. Tears began to fall from her innocent eyes.
Passing through the jungle, the kind lion saw her sadness. His warm eyes softened as he watched the little bird struggle. With patience and kindness, the lion gently cared for her wounded wing. In that quiet moment, compassion filled the jungle air. Days passed, and under the lion's gentle care, her wing healed. And once more, the little bird rose into the sky. And in that golden jungle, everyone learned, true strength is not in power, but in kindness that brings hearts together.